here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1973 Ford Mustang convertible. Consider this one kind of a resto mod. Underneath the hood, bored and stroked 408 cubic inch Cleveland V8 engine. And that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. So we take a look at the front fascia, grille, ram air hood. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures on this vehicle, there'll be over 100 pictures online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. You can also call us too, 507-386-1726. Close-up look at the wheels. It is power disc brakes up front also on this one. Now, as far as the paint, there's a few imperfections in it. There's a little touch-up right here along the sides of the hood. You might see a couple real small chips, but overall, it shows well. It's got a nice shine to it, but there are some imperfections throughout it, and I'll kind of try to point out some of those as we walk around and take a look at this car. Take a peek at the passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. White vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console with the 4-speed down on the floor. Has a power top, and we'll put that up and take a look at the condition of that here at the end of the video. A nice convertible boot, or I guess parade boot or convertible cover, if you will. Rear spoiler. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. When we get a look underneath the hood at that bored and stroke 408, I want to let you know it does have crane cam and lifters in it, hardened push rods, 4-barrel carb, aluminum radiator, and again, we'll take a little closer look under the hood in just a bit. Take a look down the driver's side here. And again, you can see it's not full of, any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few little kind of specks in the clear, which I don't even know if will show up on the camera, and I'm being awful fussy. And little spot right there you can see on the edge, but again, pretty minute. Not notice anything major. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Does have a different gauge cluster too. I believe it was Dakota digital gauges, where they're kind of to look like the old school gauges, but definitely more modern. Take a look at that here just in a second. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run too. Then remember, stick around to the end of the video. We're going to take this car out for a drive, set a camera up in it, and kind of give you a virtual ride along, if you will. We'll see how this car goes down the road. Here's the seats are free of rips, tears, or holds. All right, there you get a good look at those gauges. So they fit in the stock position, but definitely more modern. Electric fuel pump. Does not sound like your normal 73 Ford Mustang either. Sony stereo system, AM, FM cassette. Have had that working. One other thing I forgot to mention earlier, it does have QA1 adjustable front shocks. And if you look at the underside pictures, you're going to notice some nice beefy sway bars front and rear on this one too. So get this to warm up just a little bit here. Definitely a little rumble to this one. Good sounding car, good shot from the rear too. Alright, slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, take a look at the engine bay. See how it looks underneath there. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood. And again, functional ram air hood. There's the engine bay. Take a look at that, nice and clean and tidy. Again, board and stroke, 408 cubic inch, Cleveland V8, using the aluminum radiator dual electric fans, power steering, power brakes, AC. There's a battery disconnect here for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Alright, let's get this convertible top up. It is power functions as it should. Take a look at that, and then remember, stick around to the end of the video. So let's see what this car is like going down the road. And here it is with the top up. Again, power top functions as it should. A couple things I wanted to hit on real quick. That 4-speed transmission, this one, that is a wide ratio top loader, just so you know. The wheels are American Racing, aluminum Magnum 500 style wheels. Ford rear end, it's a 9-inch, 275 gears. Some things I forgot to talk about walking around the back of it before. Here's the top. So side windows up, and it is black vinyl. Looks like a newer top, has been replaced, probably done when this car was painted and restored. And like I said, a little more of a resto mod now than a stock 73 Mustang. Vinyl top, free of rips, tears, holes. Side glass on the passenger side. An idea how everything fits. Nice tight fit up the windshield in the front. Also looking good. There you go. Remember, stick around, very end of the video. Do a little drive with this 73 Ford Mustang. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1973 Ford Mustang convertible. This is in a nice blue with silver stripes. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Our turn signal indicators are working. If I had to guess, the gauges are not hooked up. They're not moving and there's no lights. The radio powers up. However, I haven't picked up a station. The windshield wipers do function. And the blower motor also functions. This is a nice running car and a nice looking car. It is a breezy, cool day today in Minnesota, but we do have the top down. Brilliant white seats and doors in this car. Combined with that blue exterior, looks really nice. Nice smooth ride on the highway. Good throttle response. Letting go of the steering wheel on this car. This car stays right where you put it, in the middle of the lane. Looks like the steering wheel is tilted a little to the left, not much, and that doesn't affect performance at all. Nice wood steering wheel too. This car corners well. It's not leaning much in the corners.